शुरू करें।
One for the tummy, one for the soul. Midnight snacking का मजा ही कुछ और है. Having that packet of chips, even a chocolate bar or a pastry in that time of midnight is simply heavenly, isn't it? लेकिन हमारी टेंडेंसी क्यों होती है इस तरह से रात को खाने की? Is it by design or is it a developed habit? Is it harmful or is it helpful? अगर आप midnight snacking करते हैं, then this video is for you. If you should continue it or put a stop to it, maybe control it. We'll figure all of that out. जिसे हम midnight या post dinner snacking के अंडर अक्सर डाल दिया करते हैं, can be an onset or a condition of night eating disorder. Night eating disorder का मतलब late night dinners नहीं है. To understand it is very simple. अगर रात के डिनर होने के बाद में अगर आपका फिर से खाने का मन करता है, then that is a part of the syndrome. If you wake up in the middle of night to eat something up, that is again a part of the syndrome. What's not normal about this? Our body uses food to metabolize energy for activities and dinner को theoretically एक small portion होना चाहिए because our usual physical activity after dinner is basically sleeping or resting. Even अगर एक mental front पर देखा जाए तो ideally before sleeping time any stressful thinking usually shouldn't be done, so utilization of thinking energy is also saved. पर कुछ चीजें हमारे हाथ में नहीं होती है. Night eating syndrome के कारण we end up eating at odd hours of the night even after having our dinner intake requirement complete. इसके triggers can vary from peer influence, from habit development to even genetics. यानी कि अगर आपका रूममेट रात को उठकर midnight snacking करता है, there is a good chance that you might acquire it too. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स में से किसी को इस चीज की आदत है, there is again a very good chance that you might have it too. लेकिन इसकी कैटेगराइजेशन कैसे होगी? What is the difference between NES and requirement of eating at night? Let's say you have a working pattern जिसकी वजह से आपको normal time पे खाने का वक्त ना मिल पाता हो और having a bite once in a while. Categorically, if you have a regular eating pattern and let's say that you are having dinner at a regular time each and every day, then you do not need to have midnight snacking time. पर अगर week में 2 बार या उससे ज़्यादा you are finding yourself involved in a nightly indulgence, then you are coming under the category of NES. इसके health implications भी कई सारे हो सकते हैं. जैसे जैसे ये आदत में आता जाएगा वैसे वैसे you are going to have an increased urge to eat during that time. फिर हो सकता है ये एक trigger या एक कारण से start हुआ हो and maybe the reason does not exist anymore, but now your habit to eat at night continues. अक्सर ऐसे में एक और belief develop हो जाती है कि you need the midnight snacking to get to sleep और get back to sleep. अपने इश्यू से डील करने के लिए, स्ट्रेस को चैनलाइज करने के लिए रात को खाना एक नेसेसिटी ऑफ रीजन सा बन जाता है. एज अ रिजल्ट, you are now convinced that not only the midnight snacking is okay, but you need it for your normal functioning, and this set belief may bounce back to affect you instead. But how is it going to affect your health? ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा कैलोरी इंटेक करना मतलब fat gain and unhealthy practice. It is kind of common to see people having night eating syndrome to have been battling issues of obesity and digestive disorders. क्योंकि all of this is happening at night. Insomnia is another added worry. There is one more conundrum that most people go through is the fact that they want to improve and change this situation for them, but maybe due to lack of choices, options, ideas, or willingness, they find themselves consistently stuck. But here is a little something new you can try and take a few steps to reduce the situation of night eating syndrome. The reason why we are taking up this topic is because stress factor that correlates with NES is a spiral of emotional and mental troubles that makes it even more difficult to deal with it, and not just with the problems, but it creates a very difficult lifestyle for a person as well. तो अगर issue इतनी ज़्यादा practical है तो इसे deal करने के लिए इसका resolution भी practical होना चाहिए. A lot of doctors do not have specific to reach out and diagnose NES because it is a choice imperative condition. यानी कि it has very little to do with body abnormalities unless it is genetically influenced. But a few doctors can reach its core by understanding blood cholesterol levels, breathing patterns, heart rates, BMI analysis, and blood oxygen levels. लेकिन diagnosis के बाद क्या? In critical conditions, antidepressants seem to have a lot of effect, and CBT can help people in improving their behavior. But there's a better news. There are a few things that you can do to improve your ways. Drink plenty of water an hour before or after your dinner. A dietitian would be a right person to consult you on this, but the reason why I pick this way is because water has 0 calories and can be really helpful to curb that pseudo hunger. and to be very honest, it has helped me quite a bit as well. Track your daytime hunger. शायद काम की वजह से या maybe because of some other reasons or situations हो सकता है आपको दिन के वक्त में खाना खाने की जरूरत ना पड़ी हो, or maybe you're skipping meals. The thing is, there is an adrenaline rush because of the urgency in the situation, and it gives a sense of fulfillment when you're working, और body की stored energy utilize होने लगती है. And to regain that stored energy later on, your body is going to require food, and when it observes that there is time in the night, it triggers the hunger. You can plan your meals in this case and stick to the schedule. और an easier correlation would be कि आप रात में जितना खाते हैं, start eating that much amount of food during the day somehow, so that you can stop binging at night. If it is an emotional problem, do seek an emotional support. अगर after having a stressful day रात को खाना खाने के बाद आपको अच्छा लग रहा है and it is not resolving your problems either, then it may not be a good long-term plan. Include more protein sources. There is a scientific study जो directly correlate करती है obesity reduction और high protein diet को. The thing is, having high metabolic foods or proteins help us in feeling full. There is another rule that you can follow: being strict with yourself and not keep any junk food in the house. The thing is, if you do not have access, slowly you can train yourself to either opt out of those choices, rearrange your routine, or choose healthier options. NES is a syndrome that can lead to more physical and mental problems if left unchecked. The thing about NES is that it doesn't act up immediately, और बहुत टाइम के साथ में इसके इफेक्ट्स का पता चलता है. अगर इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हैं तो वो ये होगा कि आप अपने लिए और अपने आसपास के लोगों के लिए इसकी अवेयरनेस जगाएं और देखें if somebody is going through this problem or not, and help them or yourself resolve this issue. If you would like to share your problems with someone और आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि किससे बात करी जाए, check the link in the description where Darwaza Kholo hosts a Sunona concept wherein you can share your problems with us, and if you need any professional help, we can guide you there as well. Until next time, eat well, think well, live well. Please be kind to the person next to you. Thank you.